Hi, my name is Ryan.DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you today a really unique trailer for being under 20 feet. It's a 19 RB. It's a 2018 Jayco J-Flight 19 RB, so it's about 19 feet, not counting the hitch, with a rear bath. So this is the #1 selling travel trailer in the United States every year since 2005. So the reason is Jayco's been around a long time, and for this price point and this size range, they're built better than a lot of the stuff that looks kind of similar if you just take them at a glance. I'll show you a few things here that's kind of nice. So you got a nice big outdoor storage here that goes underneath the bed up front, so you can access part of it from inside and part of it from outside. Underneath this linoleum floors in these are real wood floors. Almost everything in this industry stuffs it with particle board down there. It's very bad news if it gets wet, and it's also horrible resale value even if you keep it dry. So that's part of why Jaycos are as popular as they are, is they hold their value a bit better as well. Now this is a Baja package on it. So what they do is they give you a little bit of diamond plating on it because it's an off-road package. They put a bigger off-road tire on it, a little bit bigger. It's still a made in the US Goodyear tire like every other Jayco, but it's an off-road tire with a little more aggressive tread, and they flip the axles so this thing sits up a little higher off the ground, so you don't have to freak out if you take it off-road a little bit, off the beaten path. So you got a nice big power awning that goes a good distance here that extends all the way out, so you have a nice area to camp underneath it for a small trailer, and there's a bit LED light strip in there as well. Now Jayco's got a 2-year warranty as opposed to just about everything else in the industry is 1 year, so they're double. All the keys this year are key to like now, so you can actually use the same key for your compartments on the outside as you do for your door, so you don't have to mess around with a bunch of different keys. So right as you walk in, this is a rear bathroom. So you have your bathroom in the back. Full shower, toilet, there's enough room to sit down. You can actually close the door when you're sitting in there, unlike some of your smaller trailers. And then you get a ton of storage in the very back too. Just this huge closet that you can hang stuff in. You can also stack a bunch of other stuff in there. Then, additional pantry, which is actually wide and deep. So a lot of these will slip a little thin thing in there, but that actually does a pretty good job. Now you have a dinette here as well that breaks down into an extra bed. You have the key to this trailer is the walk-around queen up front. Everybody wants a real walk-around queen bed. Most smaller trailers under 20 feet are going to put the bed sideways, so somebody's crawling over to the other person to get out every night. This is a full walk-around bed with nightstands and plugs on each side of it. And this all lifts up and you can see how much storage is underneath there. There's also some storage underneath the dinette, and then you have all this counter space in the kitchen area. They put the air conditioning here on the side. This is more than enough air conditioning for a smaller unit like this, and it's off to the side, not on top, so the overall height of this unit's a little bit shorter than a lot of other stuff. There's a few things outside I'll show you as well. So all the lights on this are LED. On the inside, in the light strip, and all your marker bulbs on the outside are also LED. That's where some stuff skimps a little bit and they put regular bulbs on the back. Full size spare on the back, and it's that nice big Goodyear off-road tire that's that's on the rest of them. On the back sides, your dumps are easy to get to. They're out of the way. You don't have to bend down quite as far on these, which is appealing to a lot of people, so you don't have to get on your knees to actually pull it and drain it out, which is a little nicer. Then all your water connections are all in the same spot. Then up front, you got a spot for a big propane bottle here. We include brand new interstate batteries on everything that we sell. This has 4 stabilizer jacks, 2 in the front, 2 in the rear as well. So this gets very stable for a small trailer when you drop all your points of contact down. This unit weighs just a hair over 3,000 pounds, so 3,005 pounds dry the way it sits right here. That's towable by a lot of different stuff. You don't necessarily have to have a big old truck. And this is not a huge long trailer, so it can fit in a lot of people's spaces. And it's not as wide as your bigger 26, 30-foot trailers where they're 8 feet wide. This is a little bit more narrow. There's a bunch of other stuff I'd like to show you on here. Give me a call when you get a chance. My number is 541-525-4001, and my name is Ryan.DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guaranty RV Trailer and Van Center in Junction City, Oregon. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.